Welcoming everybody to the first ever virtual reality summit for Accenture in Microsoft Alt Space.
Give us those emojis.
Katie, thank you. So with that, my teammates Chris Floyd and Ben Hoffeld.
You could see our beautiful San Francisco skyline. This is actually what we look at from a daily basis, and I would have loved to have you all here in person.
So Accenture's Industry X.0 initiative starts to take a look at...
I'd like to ground everyone on what the mission of our studio is. Of course, the mission has not changed from the time we went to physical to virtual.
All these different innovations, for example, like here, using contact tracing to help companies when they reopen their business.
Hello and welcome to our new San Francisco Accenture Innovation Hub. I'd like to invite you on a tour with me around all of our new spaces. Accenture has invested heavily in this new space to increase collaboration and innovation between our internal teams as well as with our clients.
What we're doing here today in this framework we use constantly is really an example of the digital workplace. It's collaboration amongst a group of people, really a replacement for teleconferencing.